Hello, folks. It's me again. I'm still in Govan, this time at Fairfield, Glasgow's greatest shipyard. So, as you think about Govan, you think about shipbuilding, heavy industry, aye? Because Govan was once industrial, heavy industry shipbuilding powerhouse. And one of the greatest shipyards in Govan was Fairfield. So, here I am, just now at Fairfield Shipyard. No, it's just a museum. Here were the offices. So here were the offices, and that's that part is the museum of Fairfield Museum. So in Govan we had three shipyards. So it was Fairfield Engineering, Fairfield Shipyard Engineering Company, the Langsford Shipyard, and Stevens Shipyard. So that's the greatest one. So Fairfield was once small wooden uh, shipyard established in 1841 by Robert Napier. Robert Napier was called a federal building on the plate. So in around 1864, that great shipyard, the Fairfield Shipyard, was owned by John Elder and called John Elder and Co. So what can I tell you more? In 1888, so in 1888, this great Fairfield Shipyard was renamed Fairfield Shipyard and Engineering Company. It was once that place was once fortune crowded by hundreds of shipbuilders coming to work every day. So as you can see, these trials as these rails and the main gates. So you can even imagine the shipbuilders coming here through that gate to work. Working here is great shipyard. But you can imagine this tram driving past this rail. And these people, the tenements, watching how shipbuilders are working. So Fairfield was prospering pretty well from 1888 till 1966, when heavy industry and shipbuilding in Glasgow declined. So it was the time when heavy industry and shipbuilding in Glasgow declined in 1966. You can even imagine these workers, people working here on that noise with shipbuilding and Clyde was watching with ships. That's how I love this part of Glasgow. It's just that industrial shipbuilding spirit and charm. Most of all, I love Glasgow because of I love Glasgow. As you can see the rest of Fairfield. Hmm? Let me take you to the very front of Fairfield Shipyard and Engineering Company. And then we move on to Elder Park, and we're going to continue in Elder Park. As again, Sometimes the balconies is this fellows very front of. I guess we can correct this. So see now how Fairfield Shipyard, how large, pure large Fairfield Shipyard really was the greatest, the breed one shipbuilding in Glasgow. So I'm moving to Elder Park just now. We'll see you in a while, folks.